Now we have the interest compounded half yearly. It means that the principal will change after 6 months. The question is, find the amount and the compound interest on rupees 8,000 at 10% for 1.5 year interest compounded half yearly. Now this interest is compounded half yearly. That means that the principal will change after 6 months or every 6 months. So now we calculate the interest for the first half year. What is the interest for the first half year? That is, as we know, P into R into T upon 100, which comes out to be equal to 8,000 into 10% into the time. So what is the time here? We are calculating it for the first half year. So the time is 1/2 upon 100, which is equal to rupees 400. Now the amount after the first half year is equal to 8,000 plus 400, that is equal to rupees 8400. Now this amount is also the principal for the second half year. So we have the interest for the second half year equal to, this is the principal, 8400 into the rate, that is 10, and again the time is half year, so time is 1/2 divided by 100. This comes out to be rupees 420. Now the amount after second half year is equal to 8400 plus 420, that is equal to 8820 rupees. This amount is also the principal for the third half year. So we have interest for the third half year equal to principal, that is 8820 into 10 into 1/2 upon 100. Now this value comes out to be equal to rupees 441. This is the interest after the third half year. So we have the total interest is equal to rupees 400 plus rupees 420 plus rupees 441, which comes out to be equal to rupees 1261. So 1,261 rupees is the total interest. Now how do we calculate the total amount, because the amount is also asked. So for the amount, we have, this was the interest after the third year and this was the total amount after the second year. So for amount is equal to 8820 plus 441, which is equal to rupees 9261. Now we have another way of calculating the amount, or we can calculate it through the Initial money taken was 8,000 rupees. So we have rupees 8,000 plus the total interest, that is rupees 1261. So we have 8,000 plus 1261, which is also equal to 9261 rupees. So this is the total amount after 3.5 years or 1.5 years.